Today we're running a quick test on a rear view camera setup. And this one's all about getting the right resolution so you don't end up buying the wrong backup camera for your monitor. Open the settings menu on the head unit, navigate to the reverse settings. First, let's hop into the settings and change the resolution to NTSC. Shift into reverse. The rear camera view pops up with distorted or interference lines. Now, I'm putting the car in reverse so you can see the problem. Yeah, that's not a great look. We've got interference because the display isn't matching the camera's video signal. In the rear view screen, tap the settings icon, switch through available resolution options, and select AHD 1080p 25 FPS. Once we set that, boom, the picture's back to normal. It's a rainy, overcast day here, so the image might look a bit dull. That's just the weather, not the camera quality. On a clear day, this will look a lot sharper. Notice that the image is flipped left to right? Let's fix that too. From the main settings app, go to Reverse, then Reverse System Selection. Turn on left and right mirror images, and while you're there, you can also enable guidelines and scale lines for parking assistance. And there we go, clear image, correct orientation, and all your parking guides in place. Always make sure your display supports AHD camera signal format before buying. Alright, now let's switch gears, literally, and check out how to set up the rear view camera resolution on the YT5760B car radio. When we shift into reverse, the screen goes black, indicating that the resolution might still be set incorrectly. Go into Settings, tap Factory, enter the password, and then look for the rear camera option. If the rear view image looks flipped upside down or left to right, we can adjust it by selecting the corresponding setting. Let's fix it. Just open the reverse camera settings and select AHD 1080p at 25 FPS. Finally, tap OK to save the settings. Once the radio restarts, we can test backup camera again. And there we go. The reverse camera is working. We can also adjust the trajectory and ruler lines to match your car.